Hello everyone, welcome to once again DD Classroom. Today our subject is Geography, lesson number 1. Topic is Earth and its Graticule. Standard 6. Figure 1.1 shows the lengths of east-west and north-south diameters of the Earth. This will give you some idea about the size of the Earth. It is impossible to actually draw such lines on the Earth. In order to overcome this difficulty, geographers developed a miniature model of the Earth in the form of a globe. This can be used to determine locations on the Earth. One can actually draw horizontal and vertical lines on a globe, though not on the Earth. Thus, they are imaginary lines on the Earth. Angular distance. The location of any place on the Earth is determined with reference to the center of the Earth. In order to do it, we consider a straight line joining the point on the surface and the center of the Earth. At the center, it makes an angle with the plane of the equator. The measure of this angle is used in determining the locations. For example, in figure 1.2, the measure of angle XMV is 30 degree. That is, its angular distance from the equator is 30 degree. Look at the figure and tell the angular distance of Y from the equator. Figure 1.2 shows another plane. It passes through X. It is parallel to the plane of the equator. Observe 1.2 and see how it meets the surface of the Earth. Note that it forms a circle on the surface. Any point on this circle and the equatorial plane form an angle of 30 degree at the center of the Earth. The location of any place on the Earth is determined with reference to the center of the Earth. In order to do it, we consider a straight line joining the point on a surface and the center of the Earth. At the center, it makes an angle with the plane of the equator. The measure of this angle is used in determining the locations. For example, in figure 1.3, the measure of angle XMV is 30 degree. That is, its angular distance from the equator is 30 degree. Look at the figure and tell the angular distance of Y from the equator. Figure 1.3 shows another plane. It passes through X. It is parallel to the plane of the equator. Observe 1.3 and see how it meets the surface of the Earth. Note that it forms a circle on the surface. Any point on this circle and the equatorial plane form an angle of 30 degree at the center of the Earth. Parallels of latitude. You must have realized that the ellipse drawn by joining the 20 degree points is larger than the ellipse that joins the 60 degree points. However, the distance xk1 and xp2 are the same. This is because we are dealing with a sphere. Note that though these lines appear to be ellipses in the diagram on the globe, they are circles. The circles thus created at some angular distance from the center of the Earth are parallel to one another. Hence, they are called parallels of these latitudes. The values of parallels are angular measures expressed in degrees. The degrees of the parallels are measured from the equator as shown in figure 1.4. That is why the equator is considered as 0-degree parallel. It is the largest parallel and also a great circle. The angular distance of other parallels towards north and south goes on increasing away from the equator. The equator bisects the earth into north and south parts. The one to the north is called the northern hemisphere, while the one to the south is called the southern hemisphere. Towards the north and south of the equator, parallels of latitude progressively become smaller and smaller. On the globe and also on the earth, at the north and south ends of the earth's axis, they appear as points. These are called the North Pole and the South Pole respectively. It is necessary to mention whether it is in the northern or southern hemisphere. The parallels from the northern hemisphere are referred to as a 5° north, 15° north, 30° north, 50° north. Whereas the parallels from the southern hemisphere are referred to as 5° south, 15° south, 30° south, 50° south. A line joining all the places located to the north of the equator at an angular distance of 30° is 30° north parallel. Hence, all the places on this parallel will be at the same latitude, which is 30° north. The same concept holds good for all other parallels. See figure 1.5. One can draw 181 parallels on the earth at the interval of 1 degree. At 0 degree, that is the equator, 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere, 1 degree north to 90° north. 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere, 1 degree south to 90° south. See all the pictures. Orange is spherical with a circular cross section. The earth being spherical, we consider 360° with respect to earth as well. In figure 1.6, angle ABC, angle DEF, angle GHI have the same measures, 50°. However, the distances between A and C, D and F, and G and I are different when measured on the Earth's surface. That is because the Earth is spherical in shape. Use figure 1.7 to do the following. Let the line AM to be 0°. Draw the line MB. Measure the angle it makes south pole with the line AM and write it near B. Semicircle that passes through B joins north and south poles. Join MC. Measures AMC. Draw semicircle that passes through C and joins the north and south poles. Draw the line that passes through point A at 0 degree and join the north and south pole. Meridian and longitude. The lines drawn from points A, B and C make angles at M, the center of the earth on the plane of the equator. Starting with point A, we can draw similar semicircles through points placed at each degree. These semicircles are known as the meridians of longitude. One of these meridians is 0 degree. It is known as the prime meridian. The angular distances of the other meridians from the prime meridian are measured in degrees and are called longitudes. The 0 degree and 180 degree meridians lie opposite on the globe, forming a circle. This circle divides the earth in the eastern and western hemispheres. All meridians are equal in size. Meridians in a eastern hemisphere are labeled as 10 degree east, 25 degree east, 135 degree east, etc. While in the western hemisphere they are labeled as 10 degree west, 25 degree west, 135 degree west, etc. Example. Refer figure number 1.6 again. 30 degree east is the semicircle that joins all places at an angular distance of 30 degree from the prime meridian. Some of them are Cairo, Harare and Durban in Africa. Look at the globe. See all pictures. Though the earth is huge in size, we can tell the exact location of places on the earth using latitudes and longitudes. Note that the distance between two adjacent parallels is the same everywhere. But the distance between two adjacent meridians is not the same everywhere. We can see this even on the segment of an orange. The distance between the meridians is the maximum on the equator and goes on reducing towards the poles. At the poles it is 0. Latitudes and longitudes are expressed into degrees, minutes and seconds. Each degree is divided into 60 minutes and a minute into 60 seconds. These values are expressed using the symbols degrees, minutes, seconds. In all, we can draw 360 meridians, each at distance of 0 degree prime meridian. 180 degree meridian. We have 179 meridians in the eastern hemisphere, 1 degree east to 179 degree east. We have 179 meridians in the western hemisphere, 1 degree west to 179 degree west. The distance between any two consecutive meridians is different on different parallels. It is a maximum on the equator and it is 0 on both the poles. Equator 111 kilometer, Tropic of Cancer or Capricorn 102 kilometers, Polar circles Arctic or Antarctic 44 kilometer, Poles north or south 0 kilometer. Graticule. The parallels and meridians on the globe form a net is called as a graticule. Webb used the latitude and longitude for determining the location on the Earth. Geographical Information System, that is GIS. Global Positioning System, that is GPS. Also Google Maps, Wikimedia and Bhavan of ISRO on the internet also make use of latitude and longitude is also available on mobile phones and motor cars. Place a tick mark against the correct option. Question 1. What term is used for the imaginary east-west horizontal lines on the earth? The options are meridians, international date line, parallels. The correct option is parallels. Second question. What is the shape of the meridians? Options are circular, semicircular, points. The correct answer is semicircular. Question number 3. What do the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude together form on the globe? Options are angular distance, hemisphere, graticule. The right answer is graticule. Question number 4. How many parallels are there in the northern hemisphere? The options are 90, 89, 91. The correct answer is 90. Question number 5. Which circle forms the eastern and western hemispheres? Options are 0 degree parallel and 180 degree meridian, 0 degree prime meridian and 180 degree meridian, north and south polar circles. The correct answer is 0 degree prime meridian and 180 degree meridian. Question number 6. Which circle appears as a point on the globe? Options are equator, north-south pole, prime meridian, and the correct answer is north-south pole. Question number 7. How many places on the earth may be located on 45 degree north parallel? Options are 1, many, 2. The correct answer is many. Observe a globe and examine the following statements. Correct the wrong ones. 1. Parallels of latitude lie parallel to the prime meridian. Answer is wrong. The right sentence is parallels of latitude lie parallel to each other. Second, all parallels of latitude converge at the equator. Answer is wrong. The correct line is all parallels of latitude never converge at any of the parallels. 3. Parallels and meridians are imaginary lines. Answer is right. 4. 8 degree 4 minutes 65 seconds is the north meridians. Answer wrong. Right answer is 8 degree 4 minutes 65 seconds is the north parallel of latitude. Meridians are parallel to each other. Answer is wrong. The right sentence is meridians are not parallel to each other because they are converge at the poles. I hope you like our today's video. If you have any query, please comment or DM to Instagram. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.